Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video because I ordered the ONEXPLAYER Mini. It's one of their new devices. It's called the ONEXPLAYER X1 Mini. It has 8.8 screen size. It's one of those handheld that everybody seems to be coming out with, and I was part of I got early into the IndieGoGo campaign, and I basically ended up going with a packet that gives you a keyboard. It gives you the keyboard, gives you the controller. I even got the uh, charger adapter uh, for the controller, so you could kind of like, it comes with a dongle, so you could connect it to the device, and it has low latency input. So what I'm gonna do is I got the box a few days ago. I've been wanting to do this video and I just haven't been able to, but we're here now. I just wanted to show everybody that if you did go with the IndieGoGo, they're starting to come to arrive to people's houses, and this is basically what you get. So if you're kind of like still waiting for yours, it's gonna come on one of these little boxes, and this is everything that you get. So you're gonna see the controller, which I'll set aside for now. You get the keyboard, uh, just small, but that's okay because it's a smaller screen size than the other one, which is I think it's like 10 inches. Uh, so yeah, and then finally you get the device itself. So let me get that out. This device. So basically, three things. The only thing I'm kind of worried is I don't see the adapter that you slide the remote into in here, but maybe it's in here. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to them and basically find out what happened. So we already know how the keyboard looks like. It feels nice, honestly. It doesn't seem like a very cheap keyboard. Let me open the controller now. They also give you, they also were giving you like this little case for the controller. Yeah, maybe I should have used a knife. All right, set that aside. All right. Okay, so yeah, thank God. Oh, nice, and they give you the other D-pad. So it comes with that one, but you could change it to this one. Put that over there. Controller, it feels nice actually, not bad. It's light, very light. Put it over here. And this is the little adapter I was talking about. So basically you slide, not sure, looks like you slide it like this. There you go. So you kind of like put it in, then slide it down. And then here it has the dongle that goes to the device. You could probably use this on your PC as well, because it works like a regular controller, but it seems to feel really nice. I like the quality. So we got a controller here. All right, now for the main thing. Let me get these things out of the way so we don't have too many things in the way. kind of been waiting a while for this device. All right, so the box seems to be pretty tight. Guess you get the instructions here. Feels really nice. I like it already. So here's all the ports. I'll put all the information for the specs on the description of this video. Along the line, I'm just gonna add like any information that you guys might need. But that's a spot. It has a micro SD slot there. It has Oculink and a bunch of ports. I had a Steam Deck and it was nice. I like playing around with it a lot. But one of the complaints is the lack of ports. This gives you a USB 3.0, USB-C, and you do get another one down here as well. So the main reason I got the device is and I'm gonna be making videos for that, is to do emulation on it, and I do have a USB drive that it will most likely be going on this port, and then I'm just gonna see how it does with emulation. Aside from that, just put the device here. Let's see what else is in the box. So it looks like you get the power charger here. It's 100 watts, USB-C. That's pretty nice, and a nice braided USB-C cable. So that's pretty much all of it. I did get a battery for this, so if I'm on the go, it does it charge up to 100 watts. I'll let you guys know how this performs, if it charges the device nice, if there's any issues with it. But that's pretty much it for the video for now. Like I said, I'm gonna be releasing more videos with how games perform on the device, if I have any issues with the device or anything that I have found. So if you are interested in finding out how this device performs, how it does with emulation, PC games, anything like that, just subscribe, leave a comment, and any questions that you ask, I'll try to answer. But thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.